Okay, so we're going to do a quick change on this. We're going to be adding a NVMe into this machine. So, I've already done the rudimentary things of taking everything apart. So, screws are out, took the power out, uh, hit the clip in the center there, and that should pop out. Should, maybe keyword. There we go. All right. So, down here we're looking at the drive slot. So, there we go. Alright, so we're going to take that out real quick. And I think this is backwards. When I put it back in, I have to double check with my video, but I think I put this in backwards the other time. Because it doesn't completely cover this. But we'll check it out and see how it goes. Alright. It does have a aqua pucky in the back, so that's good. Alright, so we are putting in a NVMe drive into this machine. There are two here. There's one right up here, which you can't see, and there's one here. Now, there are two types of SATA, and this is not one of them. Let's see here. How do I want to tap this? So there is a screw here. I think I put it in the bottom of this. Let's double check. Oh, is that it? I think got it. Hey, look at that. All right. Let me put that here real quick. Putting this in was a pain in the butt, but taking it out should be easy. Okay. So here we have the NVMe drive. We're going to go ahead and put that in. So one way it'll go in, which is that way. And we're going to make sure that it's lined up with the hole. Okay, that's good. Push that down. Get in the hole. It's the wrong angle. Oh, look, I found it. There you go. Alright, so that goes on. I am going to go ahead and remove this fancy thing. They're both the same size, so if you look at it, it's set so it's equal, I think, as far as height, I think. It's up that little bit. All right, let's take a look. It definitely doesn't go around the other way, so that way it is. Okay, so found the other screw, tighten this down. It does go that way. There's a cutout in here for it, so and then I have to tighten this down. Make sure it's tightened down all the way. There we go. That's tightened down. What I'm going to do is, because this is a fresh install on the new machine, I'm going to go ahead and remove the old SATA drives so the connection won't make a connection. So once I get that all set up, I'll reconnect these drives. But basically, I got to put everything back together to reinstall Windows and make it all happen. So let me update you on updating Windows, whatnot, but we'll see. That's a whole nother story. So card go back in MSI. MSI. Make sure it's lined up. There we go.